Kelas tingkatan 3. Okey, yang ini adalah bab 9 garis lurus. This is your last chapter of Form 3 syllabus. Kelas yang ini adalah 3 persamaan untuk garis lurus. Because if you see this chapter title, chapter 9, garis lurus, straight line. So straight line, you have 3 important equations. Kamu ada 3 bentuk persamaan. First one, y equal mx plus c. Satu persamaan. Lagi satu, ax plus by equal c. And the other one, x over a plus y over b equal 1. Pastikan semua pelajar hafal 3 bentuk persamaan ini. Faham? Make sure you memorize these 3 equations. Then only you can answer the questions. Okay, lagi satu. The first equation is y equal mx plus c, right? The y and the x, you all know it's a coordinate. Tingkatan 2, kamu sudah pun belajar topik koordinat. Y, X, okay? But this M stands for kecerunan. Nilai M tu adalah kecerunan. In English, we say gradient. And the C stands for pintasan Y. In English is y-intercept. Okay, later when you see these examples, then you will learn better. Tapi apa yang pelajar-pelajar perlu faham di sini, 3 bentuk persamaan ini kamu mesti hafal. You must memorize it. Faham kelas? Now, we go for the example 1 from your textbook. Contoh 1 daripada buku teks. They gave you the equation A, y equal 2x plus 9. So the question they ask for the example 1, tentukan kecerunan dan pintasan y. Determine the gradient and the y-intercept. Tentukan kecerunan dan tentukan pintasan y. So they gave you equation. This equation, y sama dengan 2x tambah 9. From these 3 bentuk, persamaan ini dari bentuk mana? This equation is in which form? The first one, right? Y equal mx plus c. Ada 3 bentuk. So you check this equation. Only one line, right? Nampak tak? Persamaan ini dalam satu garis sahaja. In one row. So you take this equation. Y equal mx plus c. Okay, sekarang kamu lihat dengan jelas. This M, can you see this M is equal to 2. M sama dengan 2. Dan C sama dengan 9. Nampak tak kelas? So the question they ask, kecerunan, and the question they ask pintasan Y. In exam, they won't ask C. In exam, they will ask pintasan Y. So remember, the C is pintasan Y. Kamu mesti faham. So now they ask kecerunan and pintasan Y, right? So the kecerunan sama dengan 2. M is equal to. Okay, lagi satu mereka minta pintasan Y sama dengan C. The C is equal to 9. Jelas? So remember, any equation can come out. But the thing is, you must know which form is that. Pelajar-pelajar mesti tahu bentuk mana. For this, teacher take this form. Bentuk ni. Then, I compare. M sama dengan 2, C sama dengan 9. So, M2, kecerunan 2. C9, pintasan Y9. Faham? This is not negative Y. Pintasan is a dash Y. So, pintasan Y sama dengan 9. Okay, sekarang kita lihat soalan B. It's also one row. Yes, I know class. It's also one row. But what is the difference in the B question? Apa bezanya? If you see here class, we again, one row, we take a look at this. Y equal mx plus c. Okay, bila kamu lihat y equal mx plus c, the rules that student must understand very clearly is the y must be always on the left, sebelah kiri. And the y tak perlu ada apa-apa nombor. There should not be any numbers. Just y. Y tu apa? 1y. Yang lain semua sebelah kanan. Equal, x, tambah, nombor. Yang tu semua sebelah kanan. But the rules is the y must be on your left side. So pelajar-pelajar lihat persamaan yang ini. Betul apa? Y sebelah kiri. And the x number sebelah kanan. Betul. Tapi lagi satu apa yang cikgu bagi tahu tadi. Y tu mesti ada satu sahaja di depan. Tak boleh ada nombor lain. It should not have any other numbers. So, yang ini ada 3y. Yang ni y sahaja. So, apa yang perlu kamu buat dengan 3y? What is supposed to do with the 3y? You don't want the 3. Kamu tak nak nombor 3. So, what you can do? Divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. Faham kelas? Kalau kamu tak nak nombor yang ada sebelah y, kamu bahagi nombor tersebut. You divide the numbers. So, divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. Now, when you divide 3, card ready. Why teacher divide 3? Mungkin pelajar ada soalan. Kenapa cikgu bahagi 3? Sebab kita tak nak nombor 3 di sini. We don't want the number 3. So teacher divide 3. You will get y equal. Pecahan ini kamu tak boleh potong. You cannot cut. So it's negative 2 over 3x. Plus 12 3 kan boleh potong. So you will get 4. Nampak tak kelas? You got one equation. So same like this. Y equal mx plus c. So, cikgu tulis di bawah y equal mx plus c. You can compare what? Kamu boleh bandingkan. We haven't go to this form and this form. Bentuk ni dan bentuk ni belum lagi. Now, teacher is just showing the first one. Jelas? So, now after I divide, sebab cikgu tak nak y tu ada nombor lain. So, I divide that. Then you got this. Now you compare. Bandingkan. M sama dengan berapa? Negative 2 over 3. C sama dengan berapa? 4. So when you write your answer, kecerunan sama dengan M. M sama dengan negative 2/3. Make sure you check your integers also. Nampak tak? Negative. Negative 2/3. And another one more, they ask pintasan Y. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is C. So, C sama dengan 4. Sudah. Nampak kelas? So, this is just identify. Kamu tentukan sahaja. You determine only. So, whenever there's an equation, you must think. Bentuk ni atau bentuk ni atau bentuk ni. If it is one row, you go for this. Nampak tak? This also one row. Tapi yang ni kita guna untuk soalan lain. The simple one in these 3 equation is the first one. Sebab tu cikgu guna y equal mx plus c, cikgu bandingkan. And here also after divide, I use y equal mx plus c, teacher compare. Then you get your answer. Kecerunan is what class I told? M. Gradient. Pintasan Y, what teacher told? C. Y-intercept C. Class, now we go for example 3. Contoh 3 daripada buku teks. Okay, soalan. Contoh 3. Tukarkan persamaan. Now is the A question. Contoh 3A. Tukarkan persamaan garis lurus. Change this equation kepada bentuk X over A. You have to change to this bentuk. X over A plus Y over B equal 1. Dan lagi satu bentuk Y equal MX plus C. So, kamu mesti tukar persamaan A kepada dua bentuk. Bentuk 1 is this one. Bentuk 2 is this one. You have to give into 2 form. Tukarkan persamaan ini kepada 2 bentuk. Jelas? You must every time when you do a question, you must understand the question first. Baru kamu boleh fikirkan jalan kerja. So now, Roman 1, okay, 2x plus 3y equal 12. Cikgu tulis di sini. Okay, persamaan ini kamu mesti tukar kepada bentuk pecahan like this, right? So, how will you change that? Okay, kalau pelajar-pelajar nampak dengan jelas, this equation for the first one, x over a tambah y over b equal 1. Nampak tak? Okay, teacher put the arrow here. Can you see the 1? Nampak tak? 1. But here is equal 12. That is the point. Di sini, the equation here, this equation, they gave you equal 1. But this is equal 12. So what you supposed to do? Even I can write this equation also here. X over a plus y over b equal 1. So here they gave 12, but here is 1. So what you do? Divide 12. Here also divide 12. Here also divide 12. So divide 12, divide 12, divide 12. Why teacher divide 12? Sebab kamu nak dapat nombor 1. 12 divide 12 is 1. That's why I divide by 12. So the rules is divide everything with 12. So after you divide, teacher cut, you will get 1 over 6x. Nampak tak? Plus, this one 3 and 12 you cut 1 over 4y. And another one, 12 divided by 12, you get 1. Clear class? So 1 over 6x plus 1 over 4y equal 1. So sudah pun sama. Tapi pelajar boleh nampak tak? Here they put x over a. Tapi yang ni 1 over 6x. So kalau ada 1, you can put it x here. X ni kamu boleh letak di atas. 1 over 4y, the 1. 1 tu kamu padam. So the y you can put here. So x over 6 plus y over 4 equal 1. Sudah. You already changed to that form. Look clearly and understand it well. Sebab soalan minta 2 bentuk. First is this bentuk, so teacher is showing this. What is the first thing I told you all? Yang ni 12, yang ni 1. So what you do? Divide 12, divide 12, divide 12. And then you can cut. Kalau atas tu 1, you can put the x there. So x over 6. Atas tu 1, you can put y. So y over 4 equal, already cut 12 and 12, you get 1. So bentuk ni sudah. Now we go to Roman 2. Just the same equation. 2x plus 3y equal 12. The same equation, tapi tukar kepada bentuk yang ini. Okay, what is the bentuk class? Y equal mx plus c. That means what teacher told you? The y must be on the left. The other all on the right. So yang ini 3y, cikgu biarkan di sini. But the positive 2x go there. Negative 2x. Then I put the 12. Can you put just 12 like this? Betul ke? The one is positive 12. Make sure remember to write the integer. So 3y leave it here. Positive 2x go there. Negative 2x. And positive 12 remain there. So kalau kamu lihat dengan jelas kelas, if you see clearly, y on the left. The other all on the right, but x first, then only number. Now teacher say y must be only 1. Tak boleh ada nombor lain. But here they gave 3y. So what you must do? Divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. So when you divide 3, this one can cut, you will get y. And this one negative 2 over 3x. Tak boleh potong lah. Plus 12 and 3 you can cut, right? You will get 4. Can you all see clearly? This is bentuk pertama. Y equal mx plus c. Sudah. Yang ini adalah bentuk pecahan. X over A plus Y over B equal 1. Sudah. So, this is the two answers. Faham kelas? Soalan minta tukarkan persamaan ini kepada dua bentuk. Satu bentuk pecahan, lagi satu bentuk Y equal mx plus C. Sudah. So, make sure you understand it well. Now we go for the same contoh 3. Tapi sekarang cikgu ajar soalan B. Tadi soalan A, sekarang soalan B. The first one, teacher write the equation 3x minus 5y equal 15. So, soalan pertama ni kamu mesti tukar kepada bentuk pecahan. What teacher told you bentuk pecahan must be equal 1. Tapi ini 15. So, bahagi 15, bahagi 15, bahagi 15. Nampak? So, 3 and 15 you can cut. You will get 1 over 5. So, what teacher say just now? Just put x over 5. 1 over 5, 1 you can put the x there. Tolak. 5 and 15 you cut, you get 3. 1 over 3y, so you can put y over 3. And the last one, 15 divided by 15, you cut, you get 1. So, sudah. X per 5 tolak Y per 3 sama dengan 1. So, yang ini adalah dalam bentuk pecahan. Finish. And now, Roman 2. Cikgu tulis persamaan ini. The question. Yang ni tukar dalam bentuk apa? This first one. Y equal mx plus C. So, apa cikgu bagi tahu tadi? What I told you just now. Y must be on the left hand side. So, negative 5. Y equal positive 3x go there. Negative 3x. And this one is positive 15. So, Y equal x number. Sudah. But what teacher told you just now? Y must be only 1. If got number, you must divide that number. So, apa yang kamu boleh buat? Bahagi negatif 5, bahagi negatif 5, bahagi negatif 5. So, ni divide 5. Not divide 5, is divide negative 5. Kenapa negatif? Sebab atas tu negatif 5, so bawah pun bahagi negatif 5. So, after you divide, this one you can cut right, you will get y equal. Negative will become positive 3 over 5x. Tak boleh potong lah 3 dan 5. But negative will become positive 3 over 5x. And this one, positive, negative become negative. 5 and 15 you cut is 3. So, ini adalah jawapan. Dua bentuk. Clear class? This one teacher did bentuk pecahan. And this one I did the first bentuk. Y equal mx plus c. The plus c sometimes can be negative. Yang tu tak ada apa-apa masalah. No problem with that. It's just integers. But remember, when you do this first bentuk, y sebelah kiri, then equal x, then number. Jelas? Class, now teacher go to example for contoh 4. Soalan A cikgu tak ajar, cikgu ajar soalan B. Okay, only one question from this example 4. Cikgu pilih soalan B. Negative x over 2 plus y over 4 equal 1. Okay, apa soalan minta? Tukarkan persamaan di bawah kepada bentuk. This bentuk ax plus by equal c. Okay, bentuk ni. Dan juga bentuk y equal mx plus c. So, soalan contoh 4 minta dua bentuk. Bentuk ax plus by equal c. Hafal susunan. Dan lagi satu y equal mx plus c. So, got Roman 1, Roman 2. Now Roman 1, teacher show the first one. AX plus BY sama dengan C. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, mula-mula cikgu salin persamaan. Negative X over 2 plus Y over 4 equal 1. Okay. Now this is the equation given. Question given. Sekarang persamaan ini kamu mesti tukar kepada bentuk AX plus BY equal C. Must be in one row, right? Tapi ini bentuk pecahan, yang ini satu garis sahaja. But this one is in fraction. So how do you change that? Got pecahan, right? So remove the pecahan. Okay? Keluarkan pecahan. How to remove the pecahan? Okay, 2, 4. Kamu samakan pembawa ataupun kita kata penyebut. The denominator make it same. So here got 4 times 4 times 4. Here got 2 times 2 times 2. Nampak? So once you do that, what do you get? Apa yang kamu dapat? You get negative 4x over 8 plus 2y over 8 equal 1. Can you see that? Sebab pecahan ini kamu samakan penyebut. You make the denominator same. Because these two is pecahan. You make the denominator same. So you get negative 4x over 8 plus 2y over 8. So over 8 it will become this over 8 over 8. You can make it in one row, right? Like this. A big over 8. Same. And here got over 8. Teacher can time cross because we don't want the pecahan. So bila cikgu darab silang, I will get negative 4x plus 2y equal 8. Can you see? But this is not the answer yet. Sebab betul. AX, negative 4x. BY, 2y. C, 8 number. So, AX plus BY equal C. Betul. Tapi belum lengkap lagi. What is not complete there? You must give it in the simplest form. Negative 4x plus 2y equal 8. Kamu boleh kecilkan. So, how to kecilkan? Divide 2, divide 2, divide 2. So, you will get negative 2x plus y equal 4. Finish. Can you see, class? This one negative 2x plus 1y. But the 1 usually we don't put. So, negative 2x plus y equal 4. Sudah. So, dalam bentuk AX plus BY equal C. Tadi pun betul tapi belum kecilkan lagi. So, remember to simplest form. So, remember class, whenever they gave you pecahan and they ask you to change to this form, apa yang cikgu kata, what's the first rules? Make the denominator same. Once we got pecahan, sudah sama. But we don't want the pecahan, time cross. You get one row. But the final step, simplest form. Kalau yang ni bahagi 2, semua mesti bahagi 2. That is the rules. Then you got your answer. Clear, class? Now we go for the second one. Roman 2. The second one, they ask you to change to the persamaan y equal mx plus c. Okay, the question, teacher write here. Negative x over 2 plus y over 4 equal 1. Sekarang kamu nak tukar bentuk y equal mx plus c. What is the first rules teacher taught you? Y must be on your left hand side. So y over 4, leave it here. Negative x over 2 go there. Positive x over 2. And then here got 1, so that is positive 1. Sudah. Y equal x number. Betul tak? Sama tak persamaan? It's the same. But the thing is, I told y only must have 1. Not any other number. Kita tak nak nombor lain. Satu sahaja. But here got 4. Over 4. We don't want the over 4. What must do, class? Kita tak nak per 4. What can you do? Darab 4, darab 4, darab 4. That's the rules. When you do for 1, you must do for everything. So, kalau kamu tak nak per 4, times 4, times 4, times 4. So, 4 cut. You will get y equal x over 2 times by 4. You can cut it off. You will get 2x plus 1 times 4 is 4. Finish. So, your equation is y equal 2x plus 4. The B question, they ask for 2 equation, right? One, they ask ax plus by equal c. Kita sudah buat. Lagi satu, minta y equal mx plus c pun sudah. So, the chapter is, this overall chapter berkaitan dengan 3 bentuk. That's what teacher explained to you in the beginning. 3 bentuk ni sahaja. Faham? Okay, sekarang cikgu ajar contoh 5. Contoh 5 pun sama. Tukarkan, change the equation. Soalan A ya. Tukarkan persamaan kepada 2 bentuk. One is ax plus by equal c. Lagi satu bentuk pecahan. So, sekarang soalan A ni, Roman 1 tukar bentuk ni. And Roman 2 tukar bentuk yang ini. Same like just now, contoh 3, 4 semua sama lah. Tapi bentuk sahaja berlainan. So now the first question, y equal negative 2x plus 8. Tukar kepada bentuk ax plus by equal c. Okay, ax plus by sama dengan c. Sini ada y. Fy, okay. But this one is ax, right? So ax must come first. Yang ini negative 2x. So, negative 2x come to the front will be positive 2x. Whenever pass by, the equal integer will change. Ingat kan? So, why teacher bring 2x ke depan? Sebab sekarang kita ikut bentuk ni. Bukan bentuk ni. Bentuk ni y left hand side. But now textbook they ask for this bentuk. So x first, then only y equals c. Nampak? So that's why teacher bring negative 2x front, positive 2x plus y. Why teacher put plus y? Because it's already there. Sudah pun ada di depan. So remain. So positive y. Can you just put 2xy? Not right, isn't it? It's positive y. Equal, this negative 2x come to the front already. Equal, the number is 8. Sudah. Ax plus by equal c. Ax plus by equal c. Sudah. So, the first question you already changed. Yang ni seperti susun sahaja. No working, it's just arrange. Nampak? Now we go for the Roman 2. If you see Roman 2, mereka minta dalam bentuk pecahan. So, when they ask dalam bentuk pecahan, what is supposed to do? X over A, Y over B equal 1. Tadi kan kamu sudah tukar 2x plus y equal 8. Can see anak class? Tadi x, y number. X, y number. So, sudah susun lah x, y number. Tapi, mereka minta dalam bentuk pecahan. So, when they ask for pecahan, what you supposed to do? You see the pecahan equal 1. This one is equal 8. Remember the before example teacher taught you, you don't want the 8 divide 8 divide 8 divide 8. Remember just now the first example I taught you. So x, y nombor. X, y nombor. Okay, but the number is 1. So the 8 you don't want, divide. Baru kamu dapat 1. So divide 8, divide 8, divide 8. Now you can cut off. You will get 1 over 4x. But what teacher said just now, you can put the 1, you can put x over 4. Plus this one, no need to do anything, y over 8. equal 8 and 8 cut, you get 1. Nampak tak? Bentuk ni dengan ni sudah pun sama. X over A, Y over B equal 1. Finish. And this one, they say AX plus BY equals C. This is the answer. AX plus BY equals C. The AB is just number. Nampak tak? Like X over 4, this is X over A. So the A is the number. Jangan keliru. Y over B. Y over 8. So the B is the number. Can you see? So ini adalah 3 bentuk. Jelas kelas? So this one I will not teach the B question. I only will explain the A. Clear?